Hey guys, this is Brett Womack and this is my Module 5 video reflection. The first question, what were my three favorite websites you examined in this model? Describe the particular components that you found particularly useful, and how much did the fee-based sites cost, and do you think it's worth the expense? So the first one that I really liked was Kia. Getting in and being able to create different activities for the students, different games that the students can play that are learning based, and it is at their level. You can set up activities and give either points or stars based on the criteria that you set up with your activity. The second thing I liked was the Discovery Education. This one allowed you to do a 60-day free trial, and then you would have to pay a fee. I couldn't find how much this site cost, but I think this one would be very beneficial for teachers who, once you have paid, you can get an unlimited amount of videos for your classroom when talking about animals and their habitats. All sorts of type of videos are out there for this program. The third one was Education World. It allows for teachers to share different ideas, get lesson plans, worksheets, all that type of stuff. 5-minute lesson ideas, just tons of stuff for teachers out there to either share ideas, get new ideas, and so those were the three I really liked. The second question, describe your experience using Kia, and do you think it's something you could use as a future teacher? Once I got into Kia, I really thought it was useful. I was able to create 2 activities fairly easy, had no issues, and it was kind of cool to see what type of activities you could use within your classroom. With teaching physical education, my goal anyway is using Kia would be something fun to do, creating either a worksheet or activity, kids getting online and doing those type of things to introduce physical education, what to expect, what to see, some words that go along with the class. And so I think that is something that I could use and really benefit from. The third question, after searching the OER repositories, were you able to find any resources useful for your future classroom? With the OER, they're basically for older type students, and so with teaching physical education, it really wouldn't benefit me in any way using this. And so I don't think I would be using this in my classroom at all. But as older students use it, I think it would be beneficial for them. It's a unique and different type of way to learn without having to stand or sit in front of a teacher all day. That's my video. Hope you have a great night.